Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check Hyundai Sonata transmission fluid. First, park your Sonata on a level surface to ensure an accurate reading. It's crucial that the engine reaches its normal operating temperature before you begin. Next, locate the transmission fluid dipstick, which is typically yellow or red, often found near the back of the engine compartment. This initial setup is key for a reliable check. Now, with the engine running, carefully shift the gear selector through all positions, pausing briefly in each, then return it to park. This circulates the fluid properly. Pull out the transmission dipstick, wipe it completely clean with a lint-free cloth, and then reinsert it fully into its tube. Finally, remove the dipstick one more time to get your accurate fluid level reading. This two-step process ensures precision. When you examine the dipstick, the fluid level should ideally fall between the hot or full marks. If the level is below this range, it indicates low fluid, which can lead to poor shifting performance and potential transmission damage over time. Conversely, overfilling the transmission can also be detrimental, causing foaming, overheating, and even seal leaks. Maintaining the correct level is vital for longevity. If your fluid level is low, it's essential to use only the specific type of transmission fluid recommended by Hyundai for your Sonata model. Adding fluid should be done slowly, pouring small amounts through the dipstick tube and rechecking the level frequently. Avoid rushing this process to prevent overfilling. Always consult your owner's manual for the precise fluid specification and capacity to ensure proper maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.